Yo, it's your favorite hustler, Wade Jackson here, man, back with another video. As y'all can see, this is part 2 of the wheel, restoring the wheels back to chrome. And as you can see right here, boom, baby, I got my list, man. This is just a list of videos and stuff I watch. Of course, the things marked out is things I have tried, and the other things that aren't marked out are things that I'm going to do next. And as you can see, I got them numbered. Why do I got them numbered? Well, look at number 1, foil and coke, and then look at number 2, wheel cleaners, steel wool. Why would I want to try foil and coke after the wheel cleaner? I mean, the wheel cleaner is going to clean them up, you know. So I'm just going down the line, and as you can see, number 4, hopefully I don't have to, but if it gets that bad where I can't get the pitting out, I will have to use some sandpaper and then a buffer and polish that mug out. Of course, last is wax and ceramic coat. You can do either or, you don't have to do both, but that's just what you do at the end to keep them chrome. So we'll continue on this journey, and we'll see how things turn out. Look at those babies though, man. Coming a long way, coming a long way. Can't wait. I can't wait, but I really got about all winter to work on these. Of course, it won't take all that, but I'm just saying they're gonna be ready. Here's what I got so far, y'all. I had to go down to 1 grade because they didn't have no more 0 grade at Lowe's. So I had just went to 1. I needed 1 anyway because, as you can see, it didn't get them away totally, but it did do it a lot. I am going to continue to work this. My next step, if you don't know, is basically a sander and buffing and polishing and trying to get some of that stuff out that way. But I'm impressed. I can't lie. My 4th wheel, of course, it's getting the bend out of it, so it's able to hold air. And then we'll put them on the ride and see what we got. But I can't complain. Like I said, all I was trying to do here, I usually paint rims, but all I was trying to do here, I want to do whatever I can to keep these as chrome as I can. So I will be doing some other things to it, and we'll see where they go from here.